All right, y'all. You see what's going on? Making them little boats, y'all. We got some brown rice in that thing. We got some chicken, some broccoli, cheese, some queso, some spinach. You know what? Y'all say y'all want to look through that what we got. Y'all looking all in through that. See that spinach? Oh, get out that camera. Get out that camera. You see that spinach? Huh. Out that camera. I gotta excuse me. You see how that broccoli look, man? See, I know, man, we don't like soggy broccoli, man, but when you cook that broccoli just right. What you said? Here we go. All right, y'all, welcome back. You heard me yesterday. We had those party boats I showed y'all. You know, that's what I called them. And today, I wanted some taquitos. I guess how you pronounce it. But we can have some flour tortillas, so I think they call them flautas. Or y'all can leave a comment on how you're supposed to pronounce it. But yesterday, you know, we had all that left over, so man, I don't throw nothing away. It costs too much. Man, you better try to improvise with them groceries. So I'm gonna pick one of these things up, y'all. Let y'all see what's going on. You see, that's how it looking. They crispy, air fried. Look at another one of them things. Yeah, it got rice, spinach, cheese, and chicken. Y'all see what's going on. All right, y'all. We already made one situation. I'm gonna let y'all follow me on this one. Alright, y'all. Yeah, that's the magic right there. They got all the vegetables, cheese. Yeah. Gotta make it some kind of healthy. Yeah, we just pour it down like that right there, y'all. Alright, go right there. Pour it down like that right there, y'all. Just like that. Sure is. Then, you know, I gotta fancy it up a little bit. Hit them with some of them green flakes. Throw a little paprika around the side of the bowl. And there you go, y'all. There you go. Work that paprika down in there like that right there. You see that? Y'all see that? Good angle for you? Then you turn around and man, hold on. Still got good meat, good cheese inside. Sure is.